Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Monte Carlo simulation, an informative tutorial. Monte Carlo simulation is a statistical technique used to model the probability of different outcomes in a process that cannot easily be predicted due to the intervention of random variables. It relies on repeated random sampling to obtain numerical results and is widely used in fields like finance, engineering, supply chain management, and science. Key concepts: 1. Random sampling. Monte Carlo methods involve generating random samples to estimate the behavior of a system or process. 2. Probability distributions. The inputs to a Monte Carlo simulation can be drawn from various probability distributions, example normal, uniform, triangular. 3. Iterations. The simulation runs a large number of iterations to improve accuracy. The more iterations, the more reliable the results. Steps in Monte Carlo simulation. 1. Define a domain of possible inputs. 2. Generate random inputs from the defined domain. 3. Perform a deterministic computation on the inputs. 4. Aggregate the results of the computations to obtain insights into the probability distribution of the outcomes. Example: estimating the value of pi. One of the classic examples of Monte Carlo simulation is estimating the value of pi. The idea is based on the geometry of a circle inscribed within a square. A square has sides of length 2, and the circle inscribed within it has a radius of 1. The area of the square is \4 since side length is \2 The area of the circle is pi . By generating random points in the square and checking how many fall within the circle, we can estimate pi. Python code example. Here's a simple implementation in Python using the Monte Carlo method to estimate pi. Explanation of the code. 1. Imports. NumPy for generating random numbers. matplotlib.pyplot for plotting the results. 2. Function definition. Monte_Carlo_pi, number_samples. This function takes the number of samples as input and estimates pi. 3. Random point generation. For each sample, a random point, x, y, is generated within the square, -1, 1, for both x and y coordinates. 4. Inside circle check. If the point lies within the circle, i.e., x2 plus y2 less than or equal to 1 \, it is counted as inside the circle. 5. Estimation. The estimate of pi is calculated using the ratio of points inside the circle to the total number of points, scaled by 4. 6. Visualization. The points are plotted to visually show which points fall inside and outside the circle. Conclusion. Monte Carlo simulation is a powerful technique for solving problems that involve uncertainty and randomness. The above example illustrates how to use this method to estimate pi, but its applications extend to various fields, including finance for option pricing, risk analysis, and many scientific domains. By using random sampling and statistical analysis, Monte Carlo simulations can provide valuable insights into complex systems.